Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a product designed to make a statement, to be heard, and to bring a whole lot of fun to any gathering. The PATIKIL 3inch cowbells. This isn't just any noisemaker. It's a robust, versatile, and incredibly fun addition to countless events. Right out of the box, one notices the generous quantity. This particular offering provides a substantial pack of 24 cowbells, ensuring there are plenty to go around for a large group, a team, or even for multiple events. Each bell measures a compact 7.5 by 6 by 7.4 centimeters, making it perfectly portable. It's designed to be easily held in the hand for enthusiastic shaking or even hung around the neck, allowing for hands-free cheering when needed. Durability is a key feature here. Each cowbell is crafted from sturdy iron, and its surface is treated with a baking paint finish. This isn't just for aesthetics. It makes the bells waterproof and highly resistant to rusting, fading, or cracking, even after extensive use. The vibrant color, whether it's the classic black or one of the other bright options available, is designed to last. Plus, a comfortable handle is integrated into the design, making it easy to grip and shake without discomfort. Now, let's talk about the main event, the sound. When these cowbells are shaken, they produce a remarkably loud, crisp, and pleasant metallic collision sound. It's the kind of noise that genuinely attracts attention, cutting through ambient sounds to ensure your cheers or signals are heard clearly. Whether it's to rally a team, celebrate a goal, or simply add a festive atmosphere, these bells deliver on their promise of being effective noisemakers. Beyond their primary function, these cowbells offer a fantastic opportunity for personalization. The smooth surface is a blank canvas for creativity. Users can easily customize them with permanent markers, decorate them with rhinestones, or apply acrylic paint and a sealer to create unique designs. Tying on a ribbon or attaching a light-up lanyard can transform them into memorable party favors or personalized gifts, adding a special touch to any occasion. The application range for these loud cowbells is incredibly broad. They're widely used for sporting events, from football and hockey games where they serve as essential noisemakers, to marathons and cheering competitions. Their utility extends beyond sports, finding a place at farm events, lively weddings, energetic concerts, and even casual family gatherings. Essentially, anywhere a loud, joyful, and attention-grabbing sound is desired, these cowbells fit right in. In summary, the PATIKIL 3inch cowbells are an excellent bulk option for anyone seeking durable, loud, and customizable noisemakers. Their robust construction, comfortable design, impressive sound, and DIY potential make them a standout choice for a multitude of events, ensuring that every cheer is heard and every celebration is amplified.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.